अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच देखेंगे पेडागोजिकल ग्रामर के हवाले से। ये हमारा मिड टर्म के बाद पहला लेक्चर है। पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में हम देखेंगे कि कौन कौन से पार्ट्स हैं। एडजेक्टिव्स, एडवर्ब्स, कंजंक्शन, इंटरजेक्शंस, नाउन्स, prepositions, pronouns and verbs. Adjectives are the words that describes the noun. Pronouns. Adjective answer the question what kind, how much, which one, how many. For example, what kind means red nose, gold ring. How much, more sugar, little effort. Which one, second chance, those chocolates. And how many, several chances and the 6 books. There are the 5 kinds of adjectives. One is the common noun, common adjective, proper adjective, compound adjective, articles हैं, and the fifth one is the indefinite adjectives. Now, common adjective describes the noun or the pronouns. For example, strong man. Here, the strong is the common adjective. Green plant, beautiful view. Proper adjectives are formed from the proper nouns. जैसे California vegetables from the noun California, Californian vegetables. Mexican food from the word Mexico. Compound adjectives are made up of more than one word. For example, far off country, teenage person. Articles are the typical type of adjective. These are three ones: a and the. The is called a definite article because it refers to the specific thing. A and N are called indefinite articles because they refer to a general things used with the consonant words, and N is used before the vowels. Indefinite adjectives do not specify the specific amount of something. Just for example, all, each, more, several, another, either, most, some, any, few, neither, both, may, many, and other. Then are the adverbs. Adverbs are the word that describes the word or adjective or another adverb. Adverbs answer the question when, where, how, and to what extent. For example, when के लिए left yesterday, begin now. Where, for example, below, fell below, move up. How, happily sang, danced badly. To what extent, partly finished or eat completely. Conjunctions connect the words or the group of words and show how the words are related to one another. There are 3 kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunction, and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions like similar uh, coordinating conjunctions link the similar words or the group words. There are several coordinated conjunctions. For example, for, and, nor, but, yet, so. Interjections show some strong emotions. Since interjections are not linked grammatically to the other words in the sentence, they are the set off from the rest of the sentences with a comma or an exclamation mark. For example, oh, what a shock gave me with the gorilla suit. Wow. That's the underlined words are the conjunctions. Interjections. Noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, or the thing. Nouns come in these varieties. For example, common noun, proper noun, compound nouns, and the collective nouns. Common nouns name any person of a class or the person, place, or thing. Proper nouns name a specific person, place, or the thing. Proper nouns are always capitalized. Compound nouns are of 2 types: more nouns than the function as a single unit. A compound noun can be 2 individual persons, words joined by a hyphen, or 2 words. For example, father-in-law, mother-in-law. Collective nouns, the name of the group of persons or the things. Yes, for example, army, police, जो किसी भी group of people को जाहिर कर रहा हो, that's called a collective noun. Then there are the types of the nouns. Possessive nouns in the grammar. Possession shows the ownership. Follow the rules to create the possessive nouns with the singular nouns. Add an apostrophe for an S. For example, dog, dog's bone. Singer, singer's voice. With plural endings in S, add an apostrophe after the S. For example, dog's bone, singer's voice. With plural nouns not ending in S, add an apostrophe and an s. For example, men's books, me's tales. Plural nouns, here are the guidelines for creating plural nouns. Add s at the end. For example, एस एच सी एच इनके बाद एस ऐड करते हैं, और ई एस जो है ना, जैसे विश से विशेस हो गया, इंच से इंचेस हो गया, बॉक्स से बॉक्सेस हो गया. Prepositions link a noun or a pronoun, follow it to another word with a noun. For example, in, on, under, to. A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun or another noun. Pronouns help you avoid unnecessary repetition in your writings and speech. A pronoun gets its meaning from another noun it stands for. जिसके लिए वो कर रहा हो. The noun is called the antecedent. Although Seattle is a dam, it is my favorite city. Antecedent noun के तौर पर it जो है refers to the Seattle. Then there are the verbs. Verbs name an action or describe a state of being. Every sentence must have a verb. There cannot be a sentence without a verb. There are three basic types of the verb: action verbs, linking verbs, and the helping verb. Action verbs tell what the subject does. The action can be visible, just for example, jump, kiss, laugh. And the mental, for example, mental position, think, learn, and study. The cat broke Lois' china. Lois considered buying a new china cabinet. An action verb can be transitive or intransitive. Transitive verbs need a then direct object after the verb. For example, the boss dropped the ball, the workers picked it up. Intransitive verbs do not need a direct object. Who fought? The temperature fell over the night. Then there are the linking verbs. Linking verbs join the subject and the predicate. They do not show action. Instead, they help the words at the end of the sentence name and describe the subject. For example, he is a good worker. Many linking verbs can also be used as an action verb. Linking means the kids looked sad. Action, I looked for the dog in the pouring rain. Helping verbs are used to another verb to make the meaning more clear. Helping verbs include any form of to be: do, does, did, have, has, had, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must. Verbs are made up of the one main verb and one more helping verb. For example, they will run. इसमें run जो है that is the main verb, and will जो है that is a helping verb. Before drawn, they still have not yet found a smooth track. And here have not yet found जो है that is the main verb, and still have not that's the helping verb. So there are the 8 parts of speech of the English grammar: adjectives, adverbs, conjunction, interjections, nouns, preposition, pronouns, and the verbs. Thanks.